like foam?
Yeah, I saw like some foam on the floor.
There's marshmallows.
Well, baby has vernix, which is kind of a cheesy substance that protects the skin. That's probably mixed in with the fluid.
Because lady, you are pissing me off.
That's right. That's what they pay me for. Can you believe it?
He looks like Jared.
I'm going to step
Oh, I'm
over
sorry.
here. I need to grab another.
You go ahead and suck it.
I didn't need you to suck on it.
He wants a nurse, Desiree. Oh. He kind of reminds me of Mariah, but he looks like Jared. Oh my God, he looks like Jared. He's got huge lips, like his uncle's.
His lips ain't come from me.
Those are his uncle's lips.